Mr. Om Prakash Ganeriwal's day begins with a walk through his beloved Maheshwari garden, a 5-bigha oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of the coal township of Raniganj in West Bengal. The organically grown fresh vegetables and fruits are a reward of his labor of love. The Maheshwari farm boasts of its numerous varieties of vegetables and fruits, including exotic vegetables like broccoli and red cabbage.
I was a man born in a rich family, but some circumstances happened that I became very poor, and I had to work 18 hours in a atta chakki to grow my daily requirements, which consisted of my mother and 4 brothers, including myself.
Mr. Ganeriwal has come a long way from those years of hard physical labor. In 1979, he procured a contract from ECL and developed a technology that turned out to be an import substitute.
I introduced some mechanical methods, some quasi-mechanical methods, and I succeeded to compete with the Polish people in 1980 in JK Nagar. French people selected us for working in their favor and in their behalf.
Mr. Ganeriwal handed over his business to his 2 sons in 2002 and stepped into Vanaprastha.
My sons expanded the business like anything. I was working in only 2 sites, and they have now increased the sites today to 35 sites all over India, from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Northeast. Though I had given them a turnover of a capital of 60 lakhs, now they have increased it to 100 times, and they are now working with the Chinese government and executing works shoulder to shoulder with China.
A crusader, an animal lover, and a true humanist, Mr. Ganeriwal has always been concerned about the well-being of society. 10 years into Vanaprastha, he found a means of serving society through organic farming.
Before 1956, my father used to grow flowers on roof, and you will be astonished what was the main fertilizer then. You don't know those fertilizers. Those fertilizers were the release of the pigeons. We used to collect those release of pigeons from our roof, and pigeons remained throughout sitting on the corridors of our roofs, and mixed with cow dung we used to grow flowers. Then there was no fertilizers.
Every winter, Maheshwari farm comes alive with all the seasonal flowers in their multifarious hues.
Whatever natural therapies we discuss or talk about, the beginning is actually organic vegetation or organic farming. In this area, in Raniganj area, it is, you can say that this type of farming is literally not there because this is an expensive procedure. And in this farm, as you have seen, it has been done up so beautifully, and Mr. Om Prakash Ganeriwal, he has done a wonderful job, and he has spent his, you can say, at least 20 years of his life doing this.
It is very attractive, beautiful and useful for the public, for the researcher scholar, for the lover of the agriculture and garden.
Every morning, the workers have a pleasant ritual to perform, lining up the fresh vegetables for Mr. Ganeriwal to inspect and distribute.
নিরঞ্জন, এই যে স্লিপগুলো এক একটা খামে এক একটা দিয়ে দেয়, হ্যাঁ? 2 such slips are given in every bag, one inside the bag and one handed over to the courier or to the driver who carries the bag, and hands over the bag to the man who opens the gate so that he feels it is a personalized gift.
Believe me, these are some of the previous year's harvests.
Corn is such a variety that it can be sold in multiples of rates than bhutta. But there is no intention. Where there is no intention, hundreds of people told me, why don't you open a stall from where we can purchase? I said, no, my purpose is not to sell. My purpose is to make a habit of the people to eat organic. So if they have a place, if they have land, they should grow organic.
Mr. Om Ganeriwal, he used to give me off and on these vegetables from his Maheshwari garden, and which we think that it is far better than the vegetables of just local or nearby bazaars, markets.
Unlike the vegetables available in the market, the fruits and vegetables in Maheshwari garden are not sprayed with insecticides and pesticides. They will never cause slow poisoning to the person who consumes them.
There are 2 words. One is organic, another is inorganic. I think 90% of the people in India do not know what is organic or what is inorganic. I think 99% of the population consume inorganic goods because all the cereals are inorganic. Recently, Modi, our Prime Minister, told that we shall have to increase the production of urea double. You see, when Prime Minister is saying, certainly there is a gravity. Why? Because the production has to be doubled. Therefore, inorganic way has to be adopted. Balanced cereal, after cereal, what comes? In India, after cereals comes curry, dal, that is also inorganic. Then vegetables, that is also inorganic. So, we are consuming totally inorganic food.
Let the politicians think about their own agenda. We have to think about our health. So we have to take note of the efforts of people like Mr. Ganeriwal. The insects are trapped here in an ingenious way without causing any harm to the fruits.
These are all vitamins, and these vitamins protect the plants and make it so strong that they can face the bad effect of the insects. Nowadays, many companies say that it is organic, but the government stamp is required to prove that it is organic, actual organic.
These are the decoration that you have done. So how much you have spent and what are the care you have done?
This is a scrap, excepting this portion. This portion was purchased from Calcutta at 125 rupees per piece.
Even the
And all
decorative
these
elements in
things
Maheshwari
are
garden
scrap
are
from our
indigenously
shop.
made.
प्रकृति को लोग जिंदा रखना चाहते हैं, कुछ लोग जो प्रकृति प्रेमी हैं। इसलिए ओम प्रकाश बाबू ने प्रकृति को यहाँ जीवित रखा है, पेड़ पौधों को बढ़ाया है, विशेषकर ऑर्गेनिक पद्धति के द्वारा, ऑर्गेनिक सिस्टम के द्वारा, जो ये कम संभव है कि बिना रसायन के द्वारा, जैविक शक्ति के द्वारा प्रकृति को इतना हरा भरा रखे, मेरी दृष्टि में इस शिल्पांचल कोयलांचल में नहीं है। और यह एक प्रशंसनीय बात है, अच्छी बात है, आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए एक लेसन है।
इनके क्रियाकलाप को देख करके हमने अपने पत्र पत्रिकाओं के मार्फत से प्रकाशित करके कोशिश किया था कि यहाँ के विषय को दूर तक ले चलें। उस दिन इन्हें भी समझ में नहीं था कि ये क्या कर रहा है, लेकिन आज हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि ये जो वास्तविकता है, इस मरुभूमि में एक एक फूल को उगाना, एक फल को उगाना और एक सब्जियों को ऑर्गेनिक पद्धति से जो उगा रहे हैं, ये एक मिसाल के रूप में इन्होंने काम किया।
After retirement from active business, he took it as his personal hobby, developed the ground. Then on the ground, he developed different types of trees and vegetables. And the most beautiful part that he's distributing all these vegetables to all the good people, friends and others around in the town for last 15 years. Be it chilly morning in winters or sunny day during hot season, you can find him all around during daytime or early morning hours also. So that his particular duty of giving his best to the nature as well as to the society is done within the right time frame and with the right spirit.
Om Prakash Ganeriwal keeps adding to his repertoire of fruits and vegetables in his orchard. He wants Maheshwari Garden to be a bigger place, a haven where tired citizens can come to relax and unwind.
We shall declare the garden open for senior citizens for 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. And we will invite the people of Raniganj to avail of this opportunity for walking and also getting fresh oxygen here in this garden.